boys, let's go.
What? I'm not an idiot. No! Don't do this to me!
Okay, so what you need to do first is to extract the given file which I have provided you in the website or in the description. Please download it and save it in your internal storage. You can use Mi Explorer or any extraction tool you want. I am using Mi Explorer. So first you need to extract the main file. Then after you extract it, you will see a APK and a OBB zip. Now the OBB zip is also compressed, so you need to extract it also. So let's extract the OBB zip. Okay, so we have finished extracting the OBB zip. Now you will see a folder as we extracted in a separate folder. Now open that folder, you will see another folder inside it. Now what you need to do is cut that folder and paste it in Android OBB and paste it there. Yeah, remember not to paste it in SD card, you have to paste it in internal storage, then Android OBB. You have to do these steps really carefully, otherwise the game will not work. Now after pasting, you need to install the given APK which was inside the zip. Now after installing, I think if you have done it correctly, then the game should work perfectly, otherwise the game will not open. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Also make sure to share this video with your friends and relatives who will love to play this game obviously, and I will see you in the next video.